Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel Delicious Treat. Today I'm sharing how I made this soft airy beignet that are honestly better than donuts. And guess what? No mixer needed. They are super easy and perfect as a starter for any kind of occasion. So let's get started. Get a clean bowl, add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast, followed by 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then mix together until well incorporated. After that, we're going to be pouring in 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter or margarine, 1/4 cup of warm milk, and half cup of warm water. So mix everything together until it is well incorporated. Okay, so mix it, take your time and mix nicely here. So this took me about, I think, 5 to 10 minutes to get the required result that I wanted. So mix it nicely until it is well incorporated. Okay, then I went ahead and used my spatula to scrape the excess dough that is around the bowl so that everything can come together. Please, you can also check my description box for the ingredients and the measurement that I used. I'm going to be proving this for 1 to 1.5 hours, and I'll make sure I keep it in a warm place so that the proving can be faster.
A few minutes later,
after 1 hour to 1.5 hours, we are going to be checking our dough whether it has proved or not. So guys, see that it has doubled in size, so that means it has proved. Okay, so we're going to deflate the air and let the air comes out, and I'm going to be transferring this on a clean and workable surface. I went ahead and sprinkled some flour on my work surface so that the dough will not be sticky to the work surface, because as you can see, the dough is very sticky already. And also because we are cutting out shapes as well, so that it will be easier when we are cutting out shapes. All right, so just pay careful attention and just look at the way I'm doing it in the video. All right, I went ahead and used my rolling pin to flatten out the dough on the work surface, and I rolled it about 2 centimeter thickness. And so I'm using a square cookie cutter to cut out the dough. If you are in this channel for the first time, I want to welcome you. You're welcome to this great family. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to this family, because you will learn more in this channel. Okay, like, share the video as well. You never can tell who might benefit. Next, get a deep clean pot and place it on your cooker with some oil in it that can fry the dough. So I went ahead and put small dough to test if the oil is hot, and lo and behold, the oil was hot. So, and I went ahead and put the dough in it. So please, when you're putting your dough, don't overcrowd your pot. Just put in bit by bit that the pot can contain. Don't overcrowd the pot so that your dough will not take too much oil. All right, and fry it on a side, and after the side has turned to a golden brown, then you can then turn it over to the other side as well, so that they can also fry and fry to be golden brown as well. So as you can see, they are well fried. So, and I'm going to be taking them out of the oil. All right. So repeat the process to the remaining dough until there's no more dough left. Okay, please, I forget to add that please don't fry in a medium heat, not in a low heat or high heat, but in a medium heat. All right, so that it can be well cooked. Our beignet is ready. Can you see the golden brown, looking yummy? It's very light and soft. Can you see the inside? That the inside is so hairy. For that final touch, I'll be dusting some powdered sugar or icing sugar. Simple but so good. So if you don't have icing sugar, what you can do is you can blend some of your white sugar, okay, and that's take it to another level. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe. Let me know, and let me know what you think. Please, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more simple and delicious treats. Thank you for watching. I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye bye.